Meet the 2025 OMODA 9, a bold new player in the midsize SUV segment, combining power, comfort, and impressive safety performance. Recently tested by Euro NCAP, this plug-in hybrid SUV scored an overall 5-star rating, and here's why. Starting with adult occupant protection, the OMODA 9 achieved a strong 90% score. The cabin stayed stable in frontal crashes, with dummies showing good protection for knees, chest, and vital areas. In side impacts, the car scored maximum points, though chest protection in the side pole test was only marginal. Whiplash protection in both front and rear seats was rated good. For child safety, it scored 85%. Both 6- and 10-year-old dummies were well protected in all crash scenarios, earning full marks. The car also features a child presence detection system and allows safe installation of all compatible child seats. When it comes to vulnerable road users, like pedestrians and cyclists, the OMODA 9 scored 81%. While head and leg protection was generally good, pelvic protection was weak. Thankfully, the car's automatic emergency braking performed well in day and night conditions, recognizing pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcyclists. It even prevents dooring accidents with passing cyclists. Lastly, the safety assist system scored 80%. The OMODA 9 includes adaptive speed limiters, lane keep assist, driver fatigue monitoring, and a responsive AEB system that reacts to both vehicles and road users. In summary, the 2025 OMODA 9 isn't just stylish and spacious, it's engineered with safety at its core. A true 5-star SUV for families, commuters, and tech lovers alike. Now it's your turn. Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.